Today's the day.
Oh, today is the day.
Today's the day. Welcome to Tiny Time with M&M. We sold our house. We started building our house in 2001 and we finished it in 2002. Two of our children were very small at the time that we began building it. We found the place where we built our house basically just by riding around, and we found this neighborhood and we drove up into it and we liked what we saw, and we turned around and we saw a great view of the river, and we decided that this is where we wanted to spend our time raising our family. This was very much a family effort and something that we're very proud of, but times do change and children grow up, and so now we're here.
Where are we?
We're trying to get the house sold, waiting on the paperwork. Been here a lot longer than we thought we'd be. We've been here about
Almost an hour and a half.
almost an hour and a half.
About to die. I got stuff to do.
He'll be all right. So 20 years later sees us packing up our stuff and moving out of the house because the house is sold. Now, that's actually another story. We put the house on the market, and right now at the time that we're selling our house, the market is rather aggressive. But we still sold the house in a lot less time than my husband or I, either one, really thought that we would. It was really a good thing that we had been working on downsizing for a couple of years, trying to get rid of just all the clothes and stuff that we no longer needed, and anything else that we had that we knew that we were not going to take with us. We had yard sales, we donated things, all to facilitate making our dreams come true so that we can downsize and live a simpler, less stressful life. And it's a good thing because this picture is showing the people who bought our house already in the driveway ready to move in.
Yeah.
How you feel?
I feel great. How about you? You happy?
I'm happy.
Excited?
I'm excited.
All right. Let's go.
Let's go.
All right.
How does it feel to be, at this point, totally unencumbered by the productivity law?
Very free, very relaxing, very unburdening. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Like you said, we're a new adventure, a new lifestyle.
Yep.
You know, and that's what it's all about. What we want to do in this country, make it happen.
Well, yeah.
I love you.
Apparently we're happy about it as well.
Yeah. Hey.
Come with us as we move into our camper full time and begin building our deck.